Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to display quotes that refresh with every page load in Hostinger Website Builder. This is the quotes, or this is the only way to do great work is to love what you do. The next one, it will be we will see how to edit these quotes, and this is the code or the HTML code that we will use. If I forgot to attach this piece of code in this video description, just let me know in the comments below and I will add it. First, log in to your Hostinger account, go to websites and select websites list. I have multiple websites on this account, and if you're looking for an easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Website Builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress icon, and this is a Hostinger Builder icon. Click on this Edit Website button next to your website. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and the quotes will be added in this footer section. To do that, click on Add Element or this little plus icon from this left side menu. Scroll down to the bottom and select this embed code element. Place it where you want and click on Enter Code. Delete this piece of code and copy the code I will share with you in this video description. Paste it here and hit embed code. If the preview is similar to this, don't worry, it's normal. As you can see, please note that not all embed codes are visible within editor and preview modes. If you don't see your content, publish your website and view it live. Now update your website, then view site live. Let's scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. If I refresh this page and I scroll down again, as you can see, another motivation quote: the only way to do great work is to love what you do, Steve Jobs, and so on. This is the third. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. This is a good motivation quote. Now let's see how to edit this piece of code. Let's say you want to use your own quotes. It's simple. Just start copying, starting from the second quote and finish here before the last quote. Now copy the first quote like that and call it quote. Same thing for the author and call it author. Now do the same with this. Now duplicate the first quote like that, and now let's give it quote 1, quote 2, quote 3, quote 4, quote 5. Now copy this code again and delete the old one and use the second one. Let's update the website. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, it started showing my new quote. Let's refresh this page again. I think, as you can see, it moved to the quote number 2. And this is how to add or display quotes in Hostinger website builder. Thank you for watching. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. See you.